Hey friends, this is Shaz and welcome to the Ministry of Reviews. Hi guys, I will be testing a second generation CarPlay device today. This is a new 2021 model. This device has built-in Android 10 operating system. This device is from a company called Dasaita. It's quite well known for manufacturing nice and stable CarPlay devices. So this device, as I said, has Android 10 operating system. It's a new design. This one has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory. You've got USB-A to connect your USB drive to play media, and then on the other side you've got a USB-C connection to connect it with your car. Now, as I said, this is a new design, and you can see, there's ample room for ventilation, so the device doesn't heat up, which is really good. It's quite lightweight. As you can see, it's very small and compact. So I can put it anywhere in the car, and it would not kind of clutter my space. So guys, this is all what we have in the box. You have the connecting cable with USB-A and USB-C. This is what I need for my car, but if your car has a USB-C connection, then they've also given an adapter with it, so you can connect this with the cable to connect it with your car. Then we've got the GPS setup device. This is for those cars which don't really have a GPS system. Nowadays all the cars have it, so you might not need it. You've got the instructions manual. It's in Chinese and it's also in English with nice pictures and instructions on the setup. And then we've got the device. So very simple, not much in the box. That's it, guys. I'll take this in my car now, set it up, and then show you a live demonstration. All right, now let's connect the device with my car. I've got the device ready. I will plug this end of the cable into the system of my car. Alright, so the device has been connected to the system of the car. It will take maybe 15 seconds for the system to recognize the device and then show us the Android homepage. There you go. So it's connected, it's synced. It should show us the Android homepage any minute now. There you go. It's very easy. You don't really need any complicated installation. You just plug and play, and the system will take about 15 seconds, and then the Android homepage will appear. Very simple. Now this is the Android 10 interface. This is a new one, slightly different than the old Android 9. But to be honest, there's not much difference. So let me give you a quick tour of what's available here. On the left side are all the shortcuts. You've got the voice input, Wi-Fi, GPS, home screen, and back button, and right at the bottom left is the Bluetooth icon, and then the USB. And then in the middle you've got some pre-installed apps, and then you can scroll it on the left and a few more. So what we can do now is start downloading some of the apps that we want to test in this video today. So I'll go to Google Play and then start downloading. But before I do that, the first thing I need to do is actually connect to internet. So yeah, we can see it's connected to my network. You can go home page and you can see the Wi-Fi icon here as well. So it's connected. Now let's go to Google Play Store and start downloading a few of the apps that we will test in this video today. Let's start with a gaming app. Okay, let's download Golf Clash. So while the Golf Clash is getting downloaded, we will continue to download other apps as well. Alright guys, we've downloaded quite a few apps that we will be testing on this device along with the functionality also. So let's start testing each app one after another. Let's start with the gaming app. There you go. So the game seems to be working perfectly fine. Now the next one I would like to test is the YouTube app. Let's play a video. Seems to be working fine. There you go. Now let's try the Netflix app. There you go. The Netflix app seems to be working perfectly fine. Now let's test another one. Let's test the Amazon Prime videos. Okay, let's play anything. Okay, there you go. All right, working fine. Now let's test the TikTok app. All right, that seems to be working fine. Now let's check out navigation app as well. Okay, let's select a destination. Let's go to Dubai Expo.
Let's take E44 Al Khail Road
Right.
and E311 Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. This route is
Working
8 minutes
perfectly
faster
fine.
than E11 Sheikh Zayed Road.
Now I'd like to test the Google internet browser. Okay. All right. Working fine, quite fast as well. Let's check out the live TV app. Wow, working fine. So now I've connected a USB memory stick to the device just to check on playing some media files from the USB memory drive. So it's connected. Let's go to the file manager, and where is the USB storage? Let's go tons of stuff. Let's play some kids movies. There you go. So yeah, USB working fine. Now let's test the standard CarPlay which is built in this Android device. Click on this, so it takes you to the standard CarPlay, and you can see all the apps, and these are the apps that you have installed on your mobile. It's very straightforward, simple. Just click on this Car Auto button, takes you to the standard CarPlay. Click on this Toyota button, takes you back to the Android interface. So another great feature about this device is something called the split screen. Now the split screen function allows you to see two apps side by side. So let's put the Waze navigation app on the left, and then we've got a movie playing on the right. So you could see that we've got the navigation on the left and then a movie playing on the right. So it's a great feature. So guys, I've switched my mobile, so excuse me for the sound and the picture quality. What I would like to test now is the screen mirroring or the Phonecast function. What we need to do is open this Air Screen app on the device. Okay, then we open the camera on my mobile and scan the QR code. We do the entire screen mirroring, then from top right go and click on the screen mirroring. You would be able to see the device name appearing. Click on that, and then we should be able to see the screen, my mobile screen on the device. There you go. I love this feature. For any device, the most important thing for me is the speed, the time it takes to start when we switch on the engine. So I will do that speed test now. I've got my stopwatch on my other mobile ready. The car is switched off. I will switch it on, and then I'll start the stopwatch. Let's see how long it takes. Honestly, if it is somewhere around the 30-second mark, it's quite good. If it is beyond 45, it's on a slightly slower side, but it seems to be, this one seems to be much faster because it started booting in about 20 seconds. Let's see how long it takes to show us the Android homepage. There you go. So 34 seconds, and honestly 34 seconds is really good compared to the other devices I've tested. So yeah, full marks for the speed. If you like this device and you're interested to buy it, just go to the link that I have provided in the description of this video. That will take you directly to the website where you can purchase this device. That's it, guys. If you have any questions about this device or any other CarPlay device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.